Hey guys, what up? Total Control 871, chiming in with a court update. As you can see here, I have my setup, charging up my batteries, keep my devices powered. While back at the decommissioned apartment. What up? Alright, it's been a little bit of a while. Not feeling very good today. It's a lot of depression, it's a lot of everything. Let's see. So, I received finally the trial notification for the unlawful stop and tickets by Officer Devlin and Sergeant Purr. These tickets have been combined and the trial date is set for July the 18th. July the 18th. The reason why I'm feeling very pensive, well, it's for a number of reasons, but my trial date for the Jewish Family Services persecution, as they prosecute me, that trial is August the 8th. August the 8th. Although my arguments are extremely devastating in the lane control issue with Egg Harbor Township, I am well aware of how man has a penchant for creating their own reality. It really won't matter to them that the Supreme Court has chimed in. Howard Freed has already, in roundabout ways, expressed a bit of contempt for Cyclist. I am definitely facing a prejudice, so I'm definitely going in already convicted. I will summon the full fury of massive truth bombs, a massive truth MOAB. So there you go. I will be, going deep, To use another sci-fi analogy, I will definitely be Optimus Prime going into the Matrix, summoning the ancestors of the past, to give me strength and courage to do this. And I will be detonating the MOAB of truth bombs. And hopefully I can make His Honor Judge Freed see reason, and that reason being that in addition to the law granting me the ability to utilize lane control, New Jersey Supreme Court having chimed in, granting me the right to use lane control. But that also, he will be made to understand that the handful of seconds, convenience takes a back seat to safety. Alright, worst case scenario. Freed finds me guilty, and what happens then is the time clock starts ticking. And I mean, I really don't know. I'm gonna have to see what I can do here. This time clock is gonna be ticking. Trying to think how I can explain it to you. It's not hard to understand. You see, I'm not paying these fines. It's not going to happen. Is God as my almighty witness? I am not paying. I am not paying for being a law-abiding, innocent citizen. What this means now is that the ball will be in attorney woman Holly Bitter's hand, my public defender in Superior Court. As the clock starts ticking, I don't know exactly how much time I'll have before a warrant is issued for my arrest for failure to pay the fines. See, that's the clock that I am trying to beat. Like I say, I can skip town on silly-ass traffic tickets. That's nothing. They're not going to be issuing, you know, U.S. Marshals to haul a cyclist back for bicycle tickets. That shit is just not going to happen, okay? But skipping out on a felony charge like the persecution that Jewish Family Services has contrived against me, all for the purposes of stemming the cloaking their abuse. You know, he has to, for Jewish Family Services, for Lisa Wachowski, they are desperate to get this conviction. They're very worried about how it will look for them. You know, there's more I could say on that, but I won't right now. So they're desperate for that conviction. But yeah, if attorney woman Holly Bitters is able to secure my freedom and to establish my innocence, then, you know, with post haste, I will then become a refugee, fleeing the tyranny of New Jersey to undisclosed, to parts unknown. So, like I say, I can become a refugee for traffic tickets, but a felony charge, it would follow me. It would follow me. And like I say, I'm trying extremely hard here to not utilize the omega level suicide fentanyl. But I will. I will. I have orchestrated a plan. I will do my best to live stream it, giving my location, but what I will also be doing is super gluing my nose shut so that Narcan nor any other narcotic can be used to bring me back. I will use the fentanyl to commit suicide if it comes down to it. So there you go. I don't know. I guess I could say some more, but I don't really feel like it. My head, this is how it gets, you know, when I get close to these court dates, this is how it gets. A lot of depression, a lot of anxiety. I know that I am considering the suicide, but it's not the traditional suicidal thoughts, you know, like idiopathic, like I'm just considering suicide for no apparent reason. There was a very quantifiable, legitimate reason. It's Patrick Henry, you know, liberty or death. I have chosen death, and I will implement that post haste. Alright, so this is where I'm at. Hey, you guys want to see if I can end on something nice? I bought myself a new trunk. From Topeka. It's the same trunk that I had. I'll do a full review on it. You don't got to worry about that. It's a new trunk, okay? Because the zippers, unfortunately, the zippers on Topeka's panniers, the top part, the trunk part, it just begins to wear out and it begins to kink up like like, you know, this part, it just starts getting really kinky, you know. It starts getting really, really hard to zipper and close and whatnot. So, and it derails. It comes off track a lot. I've had it happen already a few times, and getting the zipper back on track is not easy. And well, I have to have that trunk. That trunk is pivotal. You know, I use that trunk every last single day. All right, that's it. All right, guys. I'll give you another update from the court. Court is tomorrow for our Ram 2500 Dodge pickup truck. I will do my best to bring this careless driver to justice, and I'll give you an update from that at the courthouse tomorrow. Total Control 871.